How to do your best work quickly. In this presentation, I will show you how you can do your best work quickly. First, you need to focus on the end result. This means that you need to focus on the completion of the task at hand. Don't worry about future steps that you're not currently working on. Thinking about future steps doesn't help you to accomplish them. Plus, it takes away your focus from doing your best work in completing the current steps now. Focusing on the end result also means keeping your mind on the current task, and not on problems at home or leisurely activities you'd like to be doing. Again, you will not be as focused to do your best work in the shortest amount of time possible, leading to more mistakes and taking longer to complete the task than is needed. Second, don't worry about being perfect with the task you are doing. Too many people start thinking that they have to be perfect with their work, which slows them down and leads to tasks taking longer to complete than what is actually needed to accomplish them at a high level. You want to do good work, but you also want to be efficient, as most bosses and clients want good work, but they want you to be timely as well. If you do great work, but it takes forever for you to accomplish that great work, people will likely not hire you because they value efficiency as well as performance, especially in a day and age when speed greatly matters. Most people don't like waiting around for information when they can access that information in the blink of an eye on their smartphones. They won't tolerate taking a long time to receive work that is only marginally better at best than good work that is done quicker. Third, focus on getting the work done as best as you can first. Then go back and revise as needed. Too many people try to write content and edit it at the same time, often leading them to lose their train of thought and take longer to create great content. If you worry about getting the content down first, then revising it later as needed, you'll be less likely to lose your thought process and more likely to complete great work in less time. Now you know how to do your best work quickly.